At Schmidt and Clark, we've been standing up for individuals and families since 1992 when dangerous products cause serious harm. A recent recall has been issued for Ellerbeck wall sconces, including models 43115BK, 43115NBR, 43115PN, and 43115CLP. These fixtures were sold between June 2023 and December 2024, and they carry a serious safety risk. According to the recall, the electrical wires inside these sconces can become damaged at the adjustable joints. When that happens, it creates a real risk of electric shock, especially in homes where the sconce is installed as a plug-in fixture without an electrical box. The problem is that many consumers still aren't aware this recall exists. If you purchased one of these wall sconces, you should inspect it right away. If it's plugged in and not hardwired into an electrical box, stop using it immediately, unplug it, and contact Kichler to confirm whether your unit is affected by the recall. If you or a family member suffered an injury linked to a recalled Ellerbeck wall sconce, you may have legal options. Product recalls don't undo the harm that's already been done, and injured consumers may be entitled to financial compensation. Schmidt and Clark is currently reviewing these cases nationwide. Our legal team is prepared to hold manufacturers accountable and pursue recovery for medical costs, lost income, and other damages tied to these injuries. If this recall has impacted you, call Schmidt and Clark today for a free case consultation. We're here to help you understand your rights and take the next step toward justice.